Hello everyone, myself Krupali Belam. Today I am going to dealing with the topic free will and human frustration in Jude the Obscure. This is my academic details and let's begin with introduction. So Thomas Hardy's Jude the Obscure, published in 1895, is a powerful exploration of the human condition where ambition, love and existential struggle intertwine against the backdrop of rigid Victorian society. Little bit introduction of Thomas Hardy. So Victorian era writer. Hardy was a prominent figure in the late Victorian era, known for his novel and poetry that explored theme of nature, fate, and the complexity of human relationship. Rural settings. So his works are major focus on rural settings. His works often centered around the rural life and Wessex region of England, depicting the challenges and beauty of the natural world and its impact on human life. Social commentary. So Hardy's writing frequently served as a critic of societal norms, particularly those of the Victorian era, which he often saw as oppressive and restrictive. Free will in Jude the Obscure. So definition: free will in philosophy and science, the supposed power of capacity of humans to make a decision or performs action independently of any prior event or state of the universe. This includes the freedom to act on one's desire, make decision independent of outside influence, and shape one's own destiny. Hardy's perspective, the Hardy, influenced by Darwinism and a deterministic worldwide, challenged the nation of free will. He saw human action as largely shaped by forces beyond the individual control, such as societal pressure, biological drives, and inherent randomness of life. Jude's struggle in Jude's the Obscure, Jude's aspiration for education and personal fulfillment are continually thwarted by rigid class systems, social prejudice, and a consequence of his choices. He grapples with the illusion of free will, constantly seeking a way to escape the limitation imposed upon him. Human frustration in Jude the Obscure. So unfulfilled aspiration. Jude's dream of becoming a scholar at Christminster is crushed by social and class barriers. A failed relationship. Both Jude's marriage to Arabella and his unconventional relationship with Sue lead to emotional turmoil. Societal judgment. The couple's defiance of a traditional marriage norms result in isolation and rejection by society. Economic hardship. Jude's struggle with poverty highlights the frustration of being trapped in a lower social class. Religious doubts. Jude and Sue's wavering faith contributes to their internal and external conflicts. Tragic climax. The suicide of little Father Time symbolizes the ultimate despair and futility of their struggles. Role of Christminster, symbol of aspiration. So Christminster represented Jude's a dream of intellectual and personal fulfillment, driving his belief in free will and ambition. Barriers of class and education. Despite Jude's determination, Christminster denies him access, illustrating societal constraint overpowering individual free will. Source of disillusionment. Christmas transformed from an idealized goal to source of frustration as Jude realized its indifference to his efforts. The illusion of free will in relationship. So Jude and Sue's relationship. Their intellectual and emotional complexity is constantly challenged by societal norms and a fear of judgment. Sue's internal conflict and guilt stemming from societal pressure create a sense of entrapment and frustration for both characters. Jude and Arabella's relation and this relationship showcases the destructive nature of social forces on individual choices. Arabella's manipulation of Jude and the societal expectation placed upon them result in a cycle frustration and despair for both characters. Fatalism in Jude the Obscure. Death of Jude and Sue's children. The tragic death of Jude and Sue's children, particularly Little Father Time, served as a stark reminder of harsh realities of life. These events highlight the powerlessness of human agency against the forces of fate and circumstances. Hardy's message. Hardy's use of tragic event and characters' ultimate failures suggests that life is often a series of thwarted aspiration and inevitable suffering. The characters, despite their best intention, are ultimately powerless against the forces that govern their lives. Jude's decline. As the story progresses, Jude's dreams are shattered and his life spirals into despair and frustration. His eventual demise further reinforces the idea that human aspirations are often futile against the backdrop of societal and natural forces. Here is one line by a little further time, done because we are too many. It symbolizes fatalism in Jude the Obscure. So let's it compare this team compare with other Bollywood depiction. So Tamasha, which directed by Imtiaz Ali, and it released on 2050. So theme of alignment. So where internal conflict mirrors Jude's struggle against societal expectation and personal aspiration. So its comparisons. So if we compare this theme, so Jude aspiration for education and thwarted by rigid Victorian norms, is like in Tamasha, where creative dreams suppressed by societal pressure to confront to conventional career paths. If we take another movie, so Sanjay Leela Bhanshali's movie, The Devdas, which released on 2002. So let's see comparison between them. So societal constraints. So both face limited free will due to societal norms, leading to frustration. Doomed relationship. Their love is thwarted by societal expectation, causing deep frustration. Self-destruction. Personal flow prevents them from exercising free will, leading to self-destruction. Tragic ending. Both character desires are crushed by external forces, resulting tragic outcomes. Universal theme. Both stories explore human frustration and the illusion of free will. Then conclusion. In Jude the Obscure, Hardy examines the tension between free will in a societal constraint, portraying characters striving for an agency amidst a deterministic world. That frustration reflects the influence of societal norms, relationship, and life's randomness, prompting readers to ponder the limits of free will and search for meaning in different worlds. So here are my references, and thank you. Now, if you have any question or query, so feel free to ask.
So, Rupali, my question to you: how does Hardy's depiction of human frustration in Jude the Obscure compare with that of Devdas' emotional struggle in Bansali's Devdas?
Yes, Krishna. If we see, so both characters, both protagonists, Jude and Devdas, both are struggle against the society. If we find that Jude is a struggle against class and education, while if we see in Banshali's Devdas, so we find that his Devdas is struggle against the society and caste, religious. So it and at the end we find that both protagonists are happen in a tragic end. So that next.
So, Rupali, my question is: can the frustration stemming from unfulfilled dreams, as seen in Jude the Obscure, be linked to challenges faced by individuals today?
Yes, yes. Frustration is still people's dreams are unfulfilled in today's time, is due to their financial stability, lack of opportunities, and societal norms. Somehow, their expectation and desire for aiming something is they reject that, and that's why their dreams are unfulfilled and they feel frustration between the societies. Thank you.